Hi, my name is Baleman. I'm presenting you a simple application called Find a Doctor. And this application will help you find a doctor of your choice. And in this application, doctors are grouped by the specialty. So you come to the drop down menu here, you click it, and then you have a different specialty that would be displayed. So you make a choice of the one that you need to be seen. So let's say I click on family medicine and then I hit the search button. So this will display the doctor's name, the specialty, and the location. So you can notice that all the doctor's name are items that can be clicked. So let's say I want to click on the first doctor, Dr. George K. Fax. When I click on that name, I have a detailed information about that doctor, including his gender, his age, his location, and his phone number if I eventually want to make an appointment. And most importantly, I have here a detailed background information about this doctor. So this is the same thing when I click on every other doctor in the same group. Let's say I want Dr. John. Well, I will have the same kind of information displayed. And then even if I make another selection. Let's say I want to see an allergy doctor. I click on allergy, I hit search button. So I have three that are displayed. I can hit whichever one by on the name, and then I will have detailed information displayed. So this is how this application works. So next thing is on the top here in the navigation menu, I have the admin, and then here I put the admin here just for the purpose of the presentation, so I can navigate between the main page, and then the admin page. So when I hit the admin page, so the admin page is password protected. So ask me for username and then the password. So I enter the username and the password. So this is my admin page. My admin page has two sides. So we have the enter a doctor form, and then the second part is where I can remove a doctor from my database whenever I want or if the need arise. So when you can see this allow me to enter a doctor. Let's say I have a new doctor that I want to put in my database. So I just come here and then enter the last name. Let's say my doctor name is Smith, and then the first name I just made up something Ben, and then the gender I can select the gender which is a male, and then the age let me put 45. Specialty, well, I would choose something like a dermatology, and then the address let me put 214 Park Street, and then the phone number, let's make up a phone number 608 21 45. And the background, let me put something like a good doctor. So once you hit the submit doctor information button here. So once you hit that button and you refresh your admin page, the first thing you will notice is that the doctor name appear here in the first in the list of the doctors that you can edit, like remove from the doctor list. So let's go back to the main page and then make a selection and choose dermatology, because the doctor I just enter is a dermatologist. So my expectation is that Dr. Ben that I just entered will appear the first in the list of the dermatology doctors group. So here he is. So Dr. Ben Smith is right here, specialty, and then this is the location. So when I click on his name, then I will have the detailed information about Dr. Ben Smith, like I just enter in my database. So next thing is when I go back to my admin page, and then now I'm gonna try to remove Dr. Ben Smith. I hit the remove button, and then now I get a question. Are you sure you want to delete the following doctor? Ben Smith, dermatology. I will click yes. I will select yes and submit it. So the doctor was successfully removed. When I go back to my admin page, I will see that Dr. Ben is no longer there. Now let's go to the home page and try to find if Dr. Ben is really removed from the dermatology list. I go to dermatology, I hit the search button, and Dr. Ben is no longer here in the list. So this is how this application works. So now let's go to this is my code. So the first thing I did here, this is my form, the list of the doctor that you actually see in the drop down menu. And then here I use a function that I call display, and that function is what display the doctors, the location, and then the specialty. And what I did is every time I go to one of the specialty, I call that function display, and then so I don't have to repeat writing the same thing. So I did the same thing for the display detailed information. So the display detailed information code is what display everything that we know about each of the doctors. Well, so the challenge I had here was to uh, display, to write a code that would display all the information about the doctor uh, using the same code for all of the doctors. Beside that, everything else was not that difficult to find out. Also, I use Bootstrap for to style all my pages. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.